Mic check. Testing 1, 2. Whoops. That wasn't supposed to be there, and neither was that. Ugh. Well, that's my nice YouTube screen. It's like you think you have everything working, right? That's always how it goes. We're just gonna find the right video and we'll be off and running. Hi everybody, my name's Emily, the Digital Arts Experience, and yeah, and we're here. We're gonna make a super duper awesome dance party, but this isn't gonna be your grandmother's dance party. This is gonna be like off the charts. So much fun dance party that you can't even take it in. Yeah, it's the best. It's gonna be the best dance party I've ever been to. So yeah. But for those who are just joining us and don't know anything about Scratch, Scratch is an awesome, really fun programming language built by MIT. And you can see I follow this one guy called Griffpatch, and he is like programming level over 9,000. Super crazy games. So, my point is that you can program some really, really basic things if you're a beginner, or if you're like this guy Griffpatch and you're like a Java expert, you could literally program, like, sky's the limit. The capabilities of Scratch are awesome. So, without further ado, we're going to go to the upper left-hand corner of scratch.mit.edu, and we're going to click create, and we'll be off and running. Now, I always get the cat, and, you know, I like the Scratch cat, but, you know, he's not my favorite character, so I'm gonna get rid of him. And so first things first, I gotta see who I'm gonna invite to this dance party, right? Like, we gotta have some awesome characters, because a dance party is only as good as the people that are there hanging out. So, Anina Dance. Oh yeah, gotta get her in on this. Who else? Ben. What's Eamon doing? Ooh, Andy. Let's invite Andy. Andy looks fun. Who else do you think? Well, let's just scroll right down the list. Ooh, Casey looks like they're having a good time. Champ. Gotta get Casey and Champ in on this too. Scratch Tours. Wow, there's so many new characters that I haven't even seen before. There's a centaur guy. Good. I had one more person in mind. Champ. Oh, Champ and D-Money, I think. Yeah, let's get one more. Let's get it. Okay. So they're all obviously giant, and so I'm going to set them all to 50% of their original size, because I need to fit them inside of my project. So let's try this. Oh yeah, here we go. Now they all fit. Because Anna needs to just be a little smaller too. No, like 45. I get very particular with the size of my characters, because I have this vision of how they're actually gonna like all fit together. It's so funny, I catch myself like being very particular about it. For no like outwardly real reason. But alright, so I've got the people that are going to attend the dance party. So now what? I need a backdrop. So going to the backdrops, I'm going to grab one from the library. And you know that you'll be defaulting to the library when you just click the picture icon. You don't click any of the other things that pop up there. So what do I want? No, we're not in a theater. I mean, we could be at a dance party in outer space. That would be pretty sick. You know what would be awesome? Alright, I'm sold. It would be awesome if we started in like the school gym like you would, and then if we like morphed into like all the lights turning like it looks like we're in outer space. I think that would be really cool. Alright, so it's like we're gonna be in the school gym basically, you know, and let's decorate it. I want to decorate it. Oh my gosh, wait, there's so many possibilities. We gotta get more characters, I think. I think this calls for like, you know, a couple people are like hanging out against the wall over here, right? Maybe this guy doesn't really want to dance, but he still wants to hang out. That's okay. He's just gonna chill by the wall. He's gonna talk to some people, okay? Yeah, we gotta make this nice. He's gonna talk to Dan, I think. Or Devin. Yeah, Dee and Devin are like just over chilling by the wall, watching everything else happen, because you know, you don't always have to dance. And I want him to face the other way. So I'm gonna go into the costumes for his character. I'm gonna flip him horizontal so that he looks like he's so that they look like they're talking. Because they're just back here having a conversation. Okay. Nice. So we got these guys up front. These guys are going to be hanging in back. Right? These guys are just talking. Maybe we get like a couple more girls at this dance party. Maybe somebody like just came from practice. Yeah, let's say Ben. Ben just came from practice. So he's like back here. And he's talking to the batter. She doesn't get a name apparently. We could give her a name. Yeah, these guys just came from practice. These guys are hanging out by the wall. By the way, that's my breakfast, and it's done. So, I'm just gonna keep streaming, even though YouTube is telling me that I'm dropping a lot of frames here. Hopefully it's not too much of a slideshow. Maybe you'll still get some audio, so it won't be too bad. Alright, so Ben, and we're gonna call the batter Ava. Because I think she deserves a name. I think Ben gets a name, so the batter should be Ava. Okay. So now we have the characters for our dance party, and I think this is a very good showing. So what's gonna happen? Well, basically, in order for the sprites to dance, they have to cycle through their costumes. Okay? We're gonna have them cycle through them at different rates. That way it's gonna look like less like they're just doing a weirdo thing like in tandem, and that it's gonna look a little bit more organic. Oh, I love coffee. Cheers, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope we're all doing excellent. And I apologize if it's a slideshow. I'm not sure whose end it's on, if it's on the YouTube ingest server or if it's my internet being weird, but I apologize for the slideshow. Hopefully it's not too bad. All right, so let's get this party started. So Anna is dancing. I think I want to put the characters kind of in order so that I know who I'm working with here. And these guys will be over here on the right. We've got Ben and Ava, Devin and Dee. All right, so now I have all my characters. Now I want a disco ball. Let's get this beach ball and let's pretend it's a disco ball. And it's gonna hang from up here. And I just need it to be a little smaller, like 80%. So, yes, yes. Okay. Great decorations, dance committee. So, what we're gonna do is I want this disco ball to spin around and light up. So I have blocks that I can make that happen. We're gonna be using mostly looks blocks today. All right, so I want, of course, everything to happen on the flag click, which means I need a one flag click block. Makes sense, right? So I want my, I want this beach ball that is now a disco ball. Disco ball. I want it to light up. I'm also gonna go in and just make it like, I'm gonna put all of these, I'm just gonna put more. I want it to look more disco-ish. So I'm just gonna kind of make some multicolored spots on it. Ah, my eyeball. Yeah, it's gonna be so disco-ish when I'm done. I don't think disco-ish is a word, but that's okay. We'll make it one. It's gonna look nice. I get very concerned with the aesthetics. Sometimes more so than the actual than the actual coding, because that's the kind of person that I am, is I like things to look nice as well as to function. We gotta get a nice bright yellow. Okay. And then after that, maybe we get some blue. And then after that, we can call it a day. That looks pretty disco-ish, if I do say so myself. Disco-ish. I fixed the edge. So now when we actually program this, it's gonna look crazy. So it's gonna change its color effect and it's gonna spin. And this is going to be one of those things that just repeats. Let's see how that goes. It's gotta spin a little bit less. There, that's better. Nice. Awesome. So, what else? Well, so I actually think that the backdrop needs to change color as well, but much more slowly and be like a little bit more dim. So I think we can actually change the brightness. We can say change brightness effect by 25, and I'm just gonna quickly check on something. Well, if we change it by a negative number, we can make it real dark in here. So instead of doing that, why don't we set the brightness? Let's first set the brightness to, let's set it to -25. Whoops. All right. So when we actually click the flag, it's gonna be nice and dim. But wait, the disco ball's gotta be super bright. So let's set that to can we set the brightness to 10 maybe? Ooh. Whoa. All right. So what I want to happen is as the disco ball is spinning, like certain parts of the room get brighter and then they get less bright. I want to really make this like, I want to make this like as realistic as I can using the tools that I have at my disposal. So we're going to do a little bit of a fancy repeat sequence here. We're going to, let's say 20 times, change the brightness by 1. Let's say 25. And then what we're gonna do is change it back. So let's see, it's gonna give it sort of a breathing effect almost. Yeah. That's nice, right? And as it's doing that, it's also going to change its color effect. Let's see if I can pull this off though. This might be a little dramatic, but you know, I mean, the whole point is just to do some experimenting. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. That looks so cool. So like you walk into the gym, but it's like not really a gym anymore. It's been transformed into this this place where you go to hang out and maybe dance or just talk to your friends. Or make new friends. Or none of the above. Maybe you don't like to talk to people, so you just hang out and enjoy the punch. You know, to each their own, right? So, now we gotta make the characters move. So, like, we may need to get some music first. And I always like to program the music in the backdrop so that I know where it is. Let's go to sound and let's say play sound until done. Now what I have to do is I actually have to go into my sounds and I have to load a new sound. So I'm gonna get rid of the pop. I'm gonna choose a sound. Oh, and apparently when you drag your mouse over it, it makes that noise. I need, let's go to loops. Whoa, sorry it's so loud. Whoa. definitely video game music, but we need to make it softer. Alright, we're gonna play this song in a loop. It might get super annoying, but that's okay. Play sound video game 1 until done, and then we're gonna repeat that. Let's make that quieter. Super sweet 8-bit music right there. That's nice. I guess we'll just have it repeat forever. For now. And if we decide to change it later, we're not totally locked in. Alright. So let's get this party started. So what we're going to do is we're going to... I want my characters to all, like, be in their starting position, which is going to be here. These are my, like, main dancers right now. Champ. Where's my champ? There he is. Champ. I'm going to have him start on costume B. By the way, I'm going to put my sound back on. So, like, he's not going to start... Yeah, they're all going to start, like, they're kind of just chilling. So, when the flag is clicked, switch costume to KCD. Nope, that's not D. I want KCC. Yeah, there it is. And I want Andy's costume to start on C as well. Andy C. I want Champ to start on Champ B. And then everyone else can start on costume A. So what I'm going to do is I'm just dragging this into the other people so we can make sure they all start on their starting costume. So Casey we set, Champ we set. Anina Stance, D Money, it's gonna be that one. Devin A and D, they're gonna be hanging out over there by the wall. And then Ava and Ben just came from practice, so they're just chilling as well on their first costumes. Alright, so I'm going to disconnect this music for just a little bit while we do some testing. I know when I teach our kiddos, they just love to test everything with the music, and I can hear from the other room. And it is fun, but I know that third parties can, you know, you start hearing the same thing over and over and you're like, well, that's disruptive. But that's neither here nor there. The point is, we're going to bring the sound back at the end, call it a day. But first, we need everyone to go to their starting positions. So Champ has to go to his starting position. Anna's gonna go to hers. Anina, sorry. And, yeah. So here we go. Then I think as the dance party progresses, we should have D-Money move out here. Anina move here. Sorry, Champ there. D-Money here. And they're all like, oh, I look really cool right now. Before I bust out this dance move. Oh yeah. So we're gonna wait 1 second. Then we're gonna glide to where we are now. We're gliding here. Excuse me. I'm gonna eat my breakfast in a little bit. After we finish this dance party. Dance party. Alright, moment of truth. Yeah. Alright. Then Anina's gonna say, show 'em what you got, boys. Show 'em how it's done, boys. And then they're gonna bust out. So they have to wait 2 seconds now because she just spoke for 2 seconds. Alright, so we're gonna wait. 2 seconds. Alright. So now they are going to start their dance sequence. Which means they're going to go with their next costume and wait for like a fraction of a second. And they're going to repeat this, I don't know, like 100 times maybe? This is where it just starts to become like trial and error. You know, you just gotta kind of try things. And then based on whatever's going on, this is going to be 0.5. And I'm going to drop that into the other guy as well. Champ. Alright, moment of truth. Here we go. Show 'em how it's done, boys. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. That is awesome. But it's definitely not gonna happen. It's gonna happen like 20 times, not 100. I was a little bit off in that projection. Alright. Show them how it's done, boys. Hey, 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 hey. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No. It's gotta be like 13. 13. Oh no, that was a wrong number. Darn it. See? 13. Okay. No, not 13 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Here we go. Okay. So this is what we've got so far. Show them how it's done, boys. Hey, 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 hey. Now, I think the other people, you know what they have to do in the background is they just need to, like, be, like, having a conversation. Devin and D over here. So I think they're going to be pretty static. So what I'm going to have them do is they're just going to go to their next costume. They're going to go a little slower because they're not dancing. They're just having a conversation. So next costume. Maybe they want to go a little. Let's just see how it looks. All right, I think this is acceptable. So we'll go to Devin, program him too. Now they're both. I need to go in and switch his costumes around a little bit. Yeah, I need to flip all of his costumes horizontal. Now they can actually talk and have a conversation. No, they can't be moving at the same pace though. So maybe D will be like moving a little bit faster. Maybe less. I don't know why he's like sliding back and forth like that, but maybe I can fix it. Whoops, he lost a shoe. Oh no! Alright, that's a little better. So now he and D are having a convo over here. That's nice. Meanwhile, these guys are showing off over here. So when they're done dancing, I think that they want to send a signal, like a broadcast signal, so that the other guys can also have a chance to shine. Other dancers. So these guys are going to receive this message, and then they're also going to switch their costume to Casey, what? KCA. Then they're going to glide. They're gonna glide up here. So then repeat 10 times. Switching their costume, going to the next costume, and then just waiting. Just like, you know, maybe they go a little faster than everybody else because they're awesome. Yes. So I'm at Andy right now, and I need to be at Casey. Uh-oh, I did something wrong. Nope, this is gonna be when I receive other dancers. Whoops. I'm gonna glide there. And then I'm gonna do that. Okay. Whoops. What's happening? Uh-oh. I have to go to my starting position. Okay. So go to, right? Who am I on? Casey? Okay, yeah. Whoops. Okay, here we go. What? Close. He has to glide here. Or she, rather. And then we're gonna say anyone can dance. And then he's gonna send a message to the group saying, everybody dance. Everybody dance now. Everyone dance. So, then they dance. Next costume, a little wait. In a repeat loop. And be off and running. All right, here we go. Show 'em how it's done, boys. Hey, we're dancing, we're grooving, we're in the zone, we're moving. Those guys having a conversation. Anyone can dance. Hey, 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 hey. Awesome. I like it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make a super awesome inclusive dance party. You know, you gotta get everybody in on the dancing fun. Oh, whoops, I forgot to connect my music. So this is the last step, is I gotta reconnect my music, and then we can watch this dance party once and for all. Here we go. Moment of truth. Show 'em how it's done, boys. Hey, 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 hey. Dancing, grooving, in the zone, moving. Anyone can dance. Yeah! Woohoo! Nice. All right, and that's gonna do it for today's project of the day. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. My name's Emily, and if you have any other questions about Scratch, definitely check out our website. We do awesome online lessons. private as well as group. Yeah, but just reach out to us. It's thedae.com, the Digital Arts Experience. Once again, my name's Emily. And if you have any other questions about the DAE, definitely check us out. And we will see you in the next video. Have an awesome, awesome day.